Fujifilm just released their brand new X app, and you might be having trouble getting to live view. Let me help you out with that. Jump into the app and press the camera plus sign in the top right corner. This is how you'll add your camera to the app. Keep in mind, only the newer cameras that have Bluetooth functionality will be able to be added here in the new X app. Once you've added your camera and it's connected by Bluetooth, hit the big black button in the middle that says Image Acquisition and Photography. You'll be asked to join your camera's Wi-Fi network, and once you've done that, you can import your photos from your SD card into your camera. Keep in mind, you're only able to import JPEGs. On the top of the screen, hit the camera icon, and this is how you get to the live view. The live view this time around is extremely fast. There's not a lot of lag between your camera and your phone. From here, you can change settings like ISO, shutter speed, aperture, and you can switch to movie mode and take movies as well. Once your settings are dialed in, use the in-app shutter to take your photo. And that was a quick look at how to set up live view in the new X app. This feature was a little hard to find, but I hope that explanation helped you out. Also, if you want to learn more about the new X app, check out this video right here.